Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a skin smooth like this. So let's dive into the video to see how this can be done. First, bring in a photo like this, make a duplicate of it by holding it onto this plus sign, and you can also use Ctrl J, a shortcut to duplicate. And here we have made 3 copies. Click on the first one, go to blend mode, and you can use vivid light. Now you can go to image, adjustments, and here is the option invert. You can also use Ctrl plus I as a shortcut. Following this step, we will go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and here you can increase the radius so that the details of the face could be seen clearly. Let me increase it to around 15. Click OK. Now we will go to image again, click on adjustment, and here we have hue and saturation. Just decrease the saturation to -100, and here you can see, since we have applied vivid light in our blend mode, this photo is not getting desaturated. So we'll cancel it out. Let's merge this top layer with the bottom one. You can hold shift and click on this bottom layer, right click, and here you can see we have the option of merge layers. Now both these layers are merged. Now you can go to image, adjustments, and here we have hue and saturation. Now decrease the saturation to -100. Click OK. Again go to image, adjustment, invert, Ctrl plus I. Now you can go to blend mode again, and this time we will apply overlay. Click on overlay. Now we will use a layer mask so that the details of this bottom layer can be seen from the top layer. So just click on this add layer mask, and you can see we have this layer mask white. You can just invert it by pressing Ctrl and I into black. And now here you can see we have white set as a foreground color and background color must be black. Now you can choose brush by pressing B. You can see we have an increase its size, just decrease the hardness, and now just drag in on the face so that the details of the bottom layer could be seen. You can see skin is getting smooth. Decrease the size, increase or decrease the size by using brackets. Now let's compare the image before and after. Let me zoom it and let me hide the top layer, and here we go. You can see how beautiful and smooth this layer looks. I hope you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.